You know that moment when your prototype looks flat and you need some juice? Cartoon FX3 Remaster is the spark plug you've been missing. This pack is pure excitement in a box. First standout feature, the modular system. You get over 120 unique effects, from explosions to magic spells, and they all snap together with simple sliders. No coding required, just drag, drop, and tweak colors or sizes. Perfect for hitting that juicy feel without any art pipeline headaches. Second angle, setup speed. Each effect comes in multiple variants for different themes, so you can go from empty scene to polished combat in under 10 minutes. The legacy and modern particle system support means it works in any pipeline, even Unity 6. Weekend project fuel, absolutely. Nearly 550 reviews averaging a perfect 5 stars. Devs rave about how these effects feel like magic. One commenter said their playtester thought the game was already shipping. That's the kind of buzz you want. This is pure visuals, no sound effects or gameplay logic included. Pair it with a cheap audio pack or your own SFX to complete the experience. $15. That works out to about 12 cents per prop effect. Seriously, that's less than a pack of gum per explosion. Link in the description. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. You want to prototype a third-person shooter by this weekend, but don't have 6 months to script locomotion? Invector Third Person Controller Shooter Template gives you a rock-solid base that feels like a polished game out of the box. The component-driven system is a lifesaver. You can mix and match character abilities like running, aiming, vaulting, and inventory without writing a single line of code. It works seamlessly with Cinemachine and popular AI systems, so your NPCs can chase or patrol with minimal fuss. Setup is insanely quick. Import the package, assign your character model, and you've got a fully controllable hero in under 10 minutes. The pack includes both basic locomotion and melee combat, plus the full shooter mechanics like weapon switching, cover, and aiming. It's a massive head start. With a 4.49 rating across 280 reviews, users praise it for saving months of dev time. One reviewer said it turned their prototype into a vertical slice in one weekend. That's the power of a battle-tested template. Be aware, the asset uses its own project settings and layers that can conflict with existing setups. Also, it lacks native support for the new input system. To avoid frustration, uncheck the project settings import option and assign your own layers after adding it to an empty project first. $45. For that price, you skip at least 40 hours of hand-coding your own controller. Freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom rig. This is a no-brainer. Loading up your scene and seeing a flat blue void is crushing. Enviro 3 fills your world with dynamic skies, weather, and lighting that react in real time. Your game will instantly look twice as expensive. The integrated system handles everything from clouds and fog to rain, snow, and lightning. It even controls time of day with a simple slider, so you can test your game at golden hour or midnight without touching lighting panels. Seasons change automatically, which is huge for open-world immersion. Setup is a one-click import, and it works with both built-in and URP/HDRP pipelines. You get a ton of customization via the UI, cloud density, wind direction, weather profiles. It's clean, performant, and saves you from piecing together 5 separate assets. 4.69 stars from 271 reviews. Devs call it a must-have for outdoor scenes. One user said it turned their gray box level into a trailer-ready showcase in 20 minutes. The sheer number of settings can feel overwhelming at first. Start with the built-in presets. They look great out of the box, and only tweak what you need. You'll be up and running fast. $40. If one client project uses this weather system, you have paid it off 100 times over. That's some serious business ROI. Your gameplay's fine, but something is missing: the juice. Feel is a collection of camera shakes, hit reactions, and particle bursts that transform flat interaction into satisfying feedback. It's like adding sound to a silent movie. Its standout ability is the modular receiver system. You can create presets for damage, pickups, or explosions, and then trigger them from any script with a single line. Each preset blends camera shake, screen flash, and particles automatically. No more duct taping multiple systems together. Performance is a huge win. Everything is optimized to run on mobile. You get over 50 customizable presets, plus a live preview window, so you can tune the feel without entering play mode. Clean drop-in solution for any project. A perfect 4.99 rating from 234 reviews. Users say it's the best value pack for polish. One reviewer mentioned they shipped their entire game's feedback system using only feel, zero custom code. It's fairly opinionated on naming conventions. If your project uses different tags or layers, you'll need to map them manually, but the documentation shows you exactly how in 2 minutes. $25. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Your players will feel the difference instantly. Want horses in your game, but dreading the animation rigging? Horse Animset Pro gives you a complete riding system with realistic gaits and rider interaction. Saddle up and ship that cowboy or fantasy game way faster. The core feature is the fully procedural locomotion system. Walk, trot, canter, gallop all blend smoothly based on speed. The rider attaches to the horse and animates with it, including leaning and steering. It's ready for third-person or top-down views. You get over 400 animation clips covering gear, combat, and variety. The setup wizards guide you through configuring your horses in under an hour. Works with humanoid rigs and includes both low poly and realistic styles. Huge time saver for a specialized need. Rated 4.73 from 225 reviews. Buyers love the quality of the blend trees. One developer said they avoided hiring a 3D animator entirely because this asset covered everything they needed. Only horses, no unicorns or fantasy mounts included. If you need different creatures, you'll have to adapt the system yourself, but the animation structure is clean enough to extend. $37.50, less than the late fee on your last parking ticket. That buys you a fully functional horse ecosystem. Pretty absurd. Rigging 2D characters with separate body parts is tedious and fragile. AnyPortrait turns your static sprite into a fully deformable, bone-driven puppet, all inside Unity. No external software needed. The mesh baking system is brilliant. It automatically generates a flexible mesh from your sprite and lets you assign bones with just a few clicks. You get smooth deformation for limbs, wings, even facial expressions. It supports Unity's 2D animation package, but goes way beyond with IK and physics. It includes a built-in animation timeline with keyframes and curves, so you can animate directly without leaving Unity. Plus, the presets for common motions, walk, run, idle, can be tweaked in seconds. Perfect for 2D games that need fluid, character-driven motion. Perfect 5 stars from 84 reviews. Small user base, but extremely loyal. One reviewer said they cut their character animation time by 70% compared to using Spriter or Spine. The learning curve is real. The interface has a lot of buttons. Start with the included tutorial scenes and follow along. Once you make one character, the second one takes half the time. $24.50. That's about 30 cents per game template if you reuse the rig for 8 characters. Huge value per unit. Every game needs persistent data, but rolling your own file system or JSON parser is error-prone. SimpleSQL brings full SQLite databases into Unity with zero boilerplate. Just write SQL queries and go. The real magic is the visual editor. You can create tables, define columns, and edit data directly in the Unity inspector. Queries are written in plain SQL and execute instantly. It supports transactions, indexes, and even blob storage for binary data or textures. Setup takes literally one click. Import the package, add a manager component, and your database is live. It works on all platforms, including mobile, WebGL, and console. Perfect for inventory systems, save files, or any structured data. Fifth perfect score, 205 reviews averaging 5 stars. Users call it rock solid and lightweight. One dev said it saved them weeks of custom database plumbing on a multiplayer project. If you've never touched SQL, the syntax might feel foreign, but the included examples cover insert, select, update, delete. 10 minutes of reading is enough to start. $20. For $5, you skip 40 hours of writing your own data layer. That's a time-saved ROI you cannot beat. The default character controller is fine until you want slopes, stairs, or crouching. Easy Character Movement 2 gives you a robust, highly configurable movement solution that handles all of that with ease. Its core strength is the modular motor system. You can add walking, running, sprinting, jumping, crouching, sliding, and even wall running by stacking behavior scripts. Each motor respects slope limits, step heights, and collision tolerances perfectly. Performance is excellent, uses raycast sparingly, and runs on mobile without issues. The inspector provides real-time debug visualization, so you can see exactly why your character stops on a small ledge. Easy setup with any model, and works with both 3D and 2.5D games. Rated 4.79 from 227 reviews. Users highlight the smoothness of the movement and the active support forums. One reviewer said it solved all their platformer jitter issues in one afternoon. It doesn't include any animation integration. You'll need to hook up your own animator parameters based on the motor states, but the documentation has a clear example for that. $40. If you have even one prototype that needs better movement, this saves you days of tuning. Competitive edge delivered. Building VR interactions from scratch is a maze of buttons and haptics. The VR interaction framework gives you grab, throw, teleport, and UI interaction out of the box. Your VR project goes from zero to prototype in an hour. The star is the physics-based grab system. Objects can be held, thrown, stacked, or snap-turned with realistic weight. It supports all major headsets via Unity's XR interaction toolkit, and you can customize everything from joint strength to velocity damping. It includes pre-built loco tools, teleport, smooth movement, and even climbing. The UI interaction system lets you press virtual buttons with realistic touch. Full source code means you can extend it for any VR game. Professional polish with massive content volume. Perfect 5 stars from 223 reviews. The VR community swears by it. One developer said it was the only asset that made them believe they could ship a VR title solo. You'll need a VR headset to test, obviously. The learning curve for advanced features like custom socket interactions requires reading the wiki, but the built-in demos cover 90% of use cases. $35, that's less than a third of a freelancer's hourly rate for one system. Business ROI all day long. You know that cramped feeling working with panels everywhere? Fullscreen Editor lets you maximize any window, scene view, game view, or code editor, to full screen with one keystroke. It's like having a second monitor in your brain. The standout feature is the toggle system. Press F11 and your active window fills the entire screen, hiding all other panels. Press again, and everything returns exactly as it was. It supports tabbed windows and multiple monitors gracefully. It also adds customizable shortcuts for different layouts. You can create full-screen profiles for coding, level design, or animation. No configuration files, just use the menu. Instant productivity boost with zero learning curve. Rated 4.68 from 220 reviews. Devs love the simplicity. A user said it cut their level editing time by a quarter because they could actually see the scene without clutter. It's a quality of life tool, not a content creator. If you already use 2 monitors heavily, the benefit is smaller, but on a single screen, it's a game changer. $10, that's less than a lunch today. Treat yourself to a better workflow. You deserve a shortcut this week. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.